Is your Samsung Galaxy showing a green line on the screen? This common issue can be frustrating, but don't worry, we'll walk you through 8 quick and effective ways to fix it, so you can get your phone back to normal. Let's dive in. Part 1. Why is there a green line on Samsung Galaxy? Causes of the green line on Samsung Galaxy: software glitch, screen burn and loose screen connector, incorrect settings, temperature extremes, water damage, incompatible apps, hardware damage. Part 2. How to fix Samsung Galaxy green line fault. Trick 1. Reboot your phone. Trick 2. Remove recently used apps. Trick 3. Fix it with the phone app. Trick 4. Update the system. Trick 5. Boot your phone into safe mode. Trick 6. Perform a factory reset. Trick 7. Contact the service center. Part 3. How to fix Samsung Galaxy green line error expertly. The Galaxy green line may be able to disappear temporarily with the help of some basic fixes above, but it may still appear after some time. If you want to repair it completely, try a professional and well-received tool: Android Repair. Initially, install and launch the software on your computer. Once the application is open, navigate to the System Repair section located at the top of the interface and connect your Galaxy device to the computer using a USB cable. Next, from the menu on the left, choose Android Repair, view the available options, and click Start. Subsequently, input the necessary information regarding your Galaxy device, and click Next. Enter 00000 in the designated field and select Confirm. For Samsung devices equipped with the Home button, turn off the device, then simultaneously press and hold the Sprint, Home, Power, and Volume down buttons for approximately 10 seconds. Release all buttons, then press Volume up to enter download mode. For devices without a Home button, power off, then hold Power, Bixby, and Volume down for 10 seconds. Release, press Volume up. Click Next to start the firmware download and repair.